Hi there and welcome to Photoshop under 3 minutes. And today's video we are going to teach you how to use the gradients tool. The gradients tool is on your left side in the Adobe Photoshop interface. So this is the gradients tool right here, and when the mouse pointer is on the gradients tool, it's going to give a little video of a demonstration on how to use the gradients tool. Yes, so you select it, then on the blank canvas or background like this, just drag to make a simple gradient. You can drag from the opposite side, you can drag to make a straight line, straight vertical line, a straight horizontal line. Yeah, and just play with this to see what suits you. And if you want to use the gradients tool on, let's say, a rectangle like this, it's also very simple to use it. For a rectangle or any other layer, you come to your right hand side on the Photoshop interface, click on FX, then you go to gradient overlay, click on this drop down arrow, then you go through the different presets that's already embedded in Photoshop, and that's it, the gradients tool. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this, comment if you have any questions. This is Photoshop under 3 minutes, where we teach you Photoshop tips and tricks under 3 minutes. Bye for now.